The heat still lingers on the silent ground, as shadows stretch without a sound. Above the roads that slowly disappear, the world feels distant, calm and clear. A summer day is drifting far away, with the colors of the end of day. We're flying over the fire in the sky, watching the sun say its last goodbye. The earth is breathing after all the heat, a quiet rhythm underneath our feet. And every mile beneath these wings carries the memory summer brings, lost in the glow of the evening sun, holding the day before it's gone. The villagers sleep beneath the haze, wrapped in the warmth of endless days. The wind is softer than it was before, whispering stories across the shore. We're flying